Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change mop washing mode on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To do it, you will need to simply go to the app, go to dock settings, and then go to washing mode. Now you can change the water volume for mop washing. You can set it to smart, so it will just estimate the degree of dirt and adjust the water flow based on that. You can also set it to light, suitable for clean environments, balanced with which is suitable for daily use, or deep for occasional deep cleaning. Then mop washing temperature can be set to room temperature, warm water, or hot water. The hot one, I know it's at 80 degrees Celsius. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.